Every night around the same time, something interesting happens. Millions of people close their laptops, turn off their lights, and go to sleep after a long day of work. The emails stop, the meetings stop, and the tasks finally end. For most people, income stops at that exact moment too. Because in the traditional system, money moves only when you do. But imagine waking up the next morning and discovering that money continued moving even while you were asleep. Not because of luck, not because of some secret trick, but because you built something that continues to work after you stop. The goal isn't to work forever. It's to build systems that keep working after you stop. Let me tell you a short story. A few years ago, two friends started their careers at the same company. They both worked hard. They both earned the same salary. They both saved some money every month. But they made one small difference in how they used their time. The first friend focused only on working more hours. Promotions, overtime, extra tasks, anything that increased active income. The second friend did something different. Instead of only increasing income, he started building small systems that could earn money without constant effort. At first, the difference looked invisible. But a few years later, their financial lives began to look completely different. So what were these systems? Let's break down 5 common passive income ideas that illustrate how money can continue flowing even when work pauses. The first idea is digital products. Imagine spending a few weeks creating something useful. Maybe it's an ebook that explains a skill you know well, a design template that saves people time, or a short online course that teaches a specific problem-solving method. Once the product exists, it can be sold repeatedly on digital marketplaces. You don't recreate it every time someone buys it. The platform handles delivery automatically. You build it once, but it can sell thousands of times. The second idea involves dividend-paying investments. Certain companies distribute part of their profits back to shareholders. These payments are called dividends. When someone owns shares of these companies, they may receive periodic payments as long as the company continues generating profits. This doesn't mean it's risk-free and markets can move up and down. But the principle is interesting. The income is tied to the productivity of the business, not the number of hours you personally work. Instead of working for money, you begin owning things that work. The third idea is rental income. When someone owns property and rents it to tenants, the property itself becomes the asset generating recurring revenue. While there are responsibilities involved, maintenance, management, and costs, the structure allows income to be generated by the asset itself rather than hourly labor. In other words, the building becomes part of the income system. The fourth idea involves content platforms. A YouTube video, blog post, or podcast episode can continue attracting viewers long after it was originally created. If that content generates advertising revenue, sponsorships, or subscriptions, it can create ongoing income streams tied to attention rather than constant production. A video created today might still generate revenue months or even years later. Some work pays once. Content can pay for years. The fifth idea involves licensing intellectual property. Photographers license images. Musicians license music. Developers license software tools. Designers license graphics. Each time someone uses the asset, the creator receives a licensing fee. The original work continues circulating across different users, industries, and projects. This is one of the quiet ways creative work becomes an economic asset. But here's something important that often gets misunderstood. Passive income is not instant income. In fact, most passive income streams require significant upfront effort. Time spent learning, experimenting, creating, and building the initial system. The difference is what happens afterward. Instead of income stopping when effort stops, the system continues operating. And over time, multiple systems can exist at the same time. A digital product, a dividend investment, a piece of content still generating views, a licensed asset circulating online, each one small on its own. But together, they begin to form something bigger. Wealth is rarely built by one stream of income. It's built by multiple systems working at once. The people who understand this shift begin thinking differently about money. They still work hard, but they also ask a new question. What can I build today that might still work tomorrow? Because in the modern economy, value doesn't only come from hours worked. Sometimes it comes from assets, systems, and ideas that keep moving through the economy, long after the creator has gone to sleep. And when that happens, income no longer depends only on time. It begins depending on the systems you choose to build.